Hello guys, I'm conducting a little bit of science experiment here. So this is my watch, my wristwatch. This is my watch. So it got the glow in the dark stuff in it, so we can watch the time during the night time in the dark. So I'm going to light it up with my super bright touchlight. Let's see what happened. Let's see here, we put touchlight. Alright, let's go. Let's see. We're going to light it up for a little bit. Maybe 10 more seconds or something. Let's see. This is fun, you know. Look at that. How bright. How bright that motherfucker. You can see the Seiko. You can see the Seiko. The light. It is really bright. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, and the light start fading. And the light will start fading, but it still took time, maybe 10 seconds or 20 seconds until it fade like before. But now you can still see the Seiko. You see it under the needle there. Oh god, I love science.